Hey there, lovely viewers. Welcome back to our channel, and today we have something truly exciting to share with you. We all want to maintain that youthful glow, and guess what? The secret might just be in your glass. That's right, we're diving into the world of anti-aging drinks that can help you achieve that timeless beauty you've always dreamed of. So, if you're ready to sip your way to a youthful appearance, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. And hey, we love hearing from you, so drop your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We promise, we'll respond. Now let's dive in. 1. Green Tea Elixir. Green tea contains a powerful antioxidant called epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, which helps protect your skin from the damaging effects of UV radiation and environmental pollutants. EGCG also supports collagen production, helping to maintain skin elasticity and reduce the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. 2. Berry Blast Smoothie. Berries are rich in anthocyanins and vitamin C. Anthocyanins are pigments that not only give berries their vibrant colors but also have been linked to improved skin elasticity. Vitamin C is essential for collagen synthesis, which is key for keeping your skin firm and youthful. 3. Collagen-Boosting Broth. Collagen is the protein responsible for maintaining skin structure and strength. Bone broth is rich in collagen, as well as amino acids like proline and glycine, which support the production of new collagen fibers. This drink can help reduce the appearance of wrinkles and promote a smoother complexion. 4. Glow-enhancing green juice. Kale, cucumber, and spinach are fantastic sources of vitamins A and K. Vitamin A supports skin cell turnover, helping to reveal fresher, younger-looking skin. Vitamin K aids in reducing under-eye circles and maintaining an even skin tone. 5. Hydration Hero, coconut water. Dehydrated skin can look dull and aged. Coconut water is not only refreshing but also rich in potassium, electrolytes, and cytokinins, compounds that promote cell regeneration. By keeping your skin hydrated, coconut water can contribute to that coveted youthful glow. 6. Citrus Infusion. Citrus fruits are high in antioxidants and vitamin C, which is crucial for collagen synthesis. Vitamin C also helps protect your skin from sun damage and reduces the appearance of hyperpigmentation, giving you a more even complexion. 7. Pomegranate Elixir. Pomegranate juice is a potent source of punicalagins and ellagic acid, which are antioxidants that help protect your skin from oxidative stress and promote skin cell regeneration. Regular consumption of pomegranate can lead to improved skin texture and a healthier complexion. 8. Turmeric Tonic. The active compound in turmeric, curcumin, has been studied for its anti-inflammatory properties. Chronic inflammation can accelerate the aging process, so incorporating a turmeric tonic into your routine can help maintain a youthful appearance by reducing inflammation-related skin issues. 9. Red Wine Elegance. Resveratrol, found in red grapes and therefore red wine, is known for its potential anti-aging effects. It activates a protein called SIRT1, which is involved in various cellular processes, including those that support healthy aging. Just remember, moderation is key when enjoying this drink. 10. Herbal Tea Magic. Chamomile is not only calming for your nerves but also contains antioxidants that protect your skin from oxidative stress. Rooibos tea is rich in alpha-hydroxy acids, which promote healthy skin cell turnover. Hibiscus tea is loaded with vitamin C and alpha-hydroxy acids, contributing to a more youthful complexion. 11. Aloe Vera Elixir. Aloe vera is known for its skin-soothing properties. Aloe vera juice can help hydrate and nourish your skin from the inside out. 12. Carrot Cucumber Refresher. Carrots and cucumbers are packed with vitamins A and K, which are fantastic for maintaining healthy skin. Blend them into a refreshing drink to support your skin's natural radiance. 13. Anti-Inflammatory Golden Milk. Golden milk, made with turmeric and other spices, is not only delicious but also has anti-inflammatory benefits that can help your skin look its best. 14. Watermelon Cooler. Last but not least, we have a summertime favorite, Watermelon Cooler. This juicy fruit is rich in hydration, antioxidants, and vitamins that contribute to youthful skin. Conclusion. And there you have it, 14 amazing anti-aging drinks that can help you achieve that youthful appearance you've been aiming for. Remember, beauty starts from within, and these drinks are a delicious way to nourish your skin. If you enjoyed this video and found these tips helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our upcoming content. We love engaging with you, so drop your thoughts, questions, or any drink suggestions in the comments below. Until next time, sip, savor, and stay beautifully young. Thank you so much for watching. If you loved this video, make sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. We truly appreciate your support. And remember, we're here to answer your comments and questions, so keep them coming. Stay vibrant, and we'll see you in the next video.